Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to drive the 2019 Ferrari Portofino. Okay, first things first, put the key into the key holder here. Okay, next you want to put your right foot on the brake and press the engine start button. So over here I have three buttons. R is reverse, auto is to make the car drive in automatic mode, and this launch button is for your launch control. Okay, so the car will start in park as you can see over there. Now to put the car into gear, all you have to do is press this right pedal shift to gear up. So now that the car is in gear 1, you can actually drive off, but you have to release your parking brake first. So the parking brake is over here. Hope you can see that. Okay, so you just pull it like that and you can see the P button disappears, means the parking brake is disengaged. So now if I let go of the brake, the car won't start moving. You actually have to press the accelerator a little bit for the car to move. Okay, so now the car is moving and you can see auto, so the car will shift the gears by itself. It's in automatic mode. Now to go into reverse, all you have to do is press this R button. You can see the car switches to R and the backup camera comes up here. So again, if you let go of the brake, the car won't reverse. You have to actually press on the throttle for it to reverse. So I'm pressing on the throttle and the car will reverse. Okay, just like that. And to put it into neutral, all you have to do is to, I don't know why it's beeping, but all you have to do to put it into neutral is to hold both pedal shifters down at the same time. So just like that, and you can see the car switches to neutral. If you are driving along and it's in auto mode and you want to switch the gears yourself, all you have to do is press this auto button and you can see that the auto disappears. So now when you drive, you have to shift the gears yourself. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you drive a Ferrari Portofino.